Next month on February 1, everyone's eyes will be glued on their screens with rays of expectations from the Finance Minister as she will present the Union Budget for FY26. Investors, traders, market experts, and corporate leaders will especially keep an eye on the stock markets ahead of the budget presentation. The Finance Minister has already held many pre-budget consultations, and various organizations and industries have come out with their expectations. CII said that consumption needs to improve and suggested cutting tax rates for incomes up to 20 lakh rupees. It additionally suggested lowering excise duty on fuel to curb inflation, while AMFI suggested reinstating earlier tax rates on capital gains and proposed reintroducing long-term capital gains indexation benefits for debt mutual funds. How these suggestions will be taken is in the hands of the Finance Ministry, but in this video we discuss how markets move on and after the budget days. Let's talk about the last 10 budgets now. The Union Budget of 2015. It was presented on 28 February. Corporate tax was reduced and the aim was to boost infrastructure in this budget. Markets responded positively that day. Nifty went up 0.7%. However, in the next 1 month, the index was down by 4.6%. Union Budget of 2016 was presented on February 29, focused on rural development with a plan to double farmers' income in the next 5 years. Markets, however, were unimpressed. Nifty fell 0.6% that day, but it went up by 10.7% in the following month. Union Budget of 2017 was presented on 1st February, focused on relief to middle class. Tax rate was cut by 5% for incomes between 2.5 lakh rupees and 5 lakh rupees. Markets reacted positively. In fact, Nifty saw a 1.8% jump on the budget day and it went up by 2.1% in the following month too. Union Budget of 2018 was Arun Jaitley's last budget that he presented as a finance minister on 1st February of 2018. The budget had major proposals for MSMEs, employment generation and infrastructure. LTCG was introduced in this budget and markets reacted very cautiously. Sentiment turned weak as Nifty fell 0.2% on the budget day and 6% in the following month. Union Budget of 2019 was presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on 5th of July 2019. Piyush Goyal had presented the interim budget that year on February 1, increasing defense budget and announcing benefits like income tax SOPs for nearly 30 million low-income taxpayers and 120 million marginal farmers. Sitharaman kept major announcement of the interim budget unchanged, but markets were not very impressed, and Nifty fell 1.1% on the budget day and 8% in the following month. Now coming to the Union Budget of 2020. New tax slabs were introduced in this budget while no major boost was given to industries. Markets were in red on the budget day, Nifty falling 2.5% and following month it fell further to 3.1%. Now, in the Union Budget of 2021, markets saw a boost. On the budget day, Nifty went up by 4.7% and in the following month, it was up by 3.4%. The budget was a revival for the pandemic hit economy and highest ever capital outlay was given to infrastructure in this budget. In Union Budget of 2022, foundation was laid for economic growth post-pandemic. Nifty went up by 1.4% on the budget day but fell 4.5% in the following month. In the budget of 2023, markets had a mixed reaction. While Sensex closed up slightly by 2%, Nifty fell 0.26% even as measures to boost consumption and capex were proposed. In the following month too, Nifty fell around 1.45%. In the last year's budget presented on 23rd July 2024 by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Sensex and Nifty settled marginally lower in a volatile trade. Sensex fell 0.09% and Nifty closed falling 0.12% on the budget day. In the following month, though, Nifty was up 1.41%. So in most cases, markets saw a minor fall. So now this is just the data of how markets have performed in previous budgets. How will it perform on this budget? We don't know. But many experts suggest that investors to stick to stocks that are likely to be benefited from government spending. Which stocks are these and which sectors are to be watched out for? We tell you closer to the budget. Till then, keep watching ET Now for the most extensive coverage on Union Budget of 2025.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.